while I'm working in the basement, fixing my tools, and my dogs is eating bones. His name is Achilles. Silas Achilles, and he has bones, and this is his bones. See, I put the bones from Stop and Shop in Lipante Avenue, Bayonne, and he has playing ball here. He wants to play, and while I'm fixing my tools, the other one is his name is Sunny Paul, or Sunny, and he has also bones. Eating his bones. And I'm going to get water now for them. So bring inside your bones. Okay, bring inside. Okay. So this where my body in I'm doing things me toes. Bones, delicious. That's delicious, huh? Sunny Paul. Okay, this is Sunny. His name is Sunny Paul. So this Achilles Silas. Okay, later they will play, and while they are waiting for me here, I'm walking here, and I have a blanket for them, and I have another white blanket for them. Right now, this is okay. They are waiting for me. I keep waiting, and I'm working fixing my toes. And my toes is there. Yeah, I'm okay. I keep working. Keep working. Okay. Alright, they are hungry. Why they are hungry? Because the bones is delicious, really bones. Okay. I'll buy again after this.